恵比寿サーキットへようこそ。
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's time, it's time, it's time.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
It's time. We're actually going to start working on the Lexus. We're going to start pulling out all of the components around the engine to get it prepped to actually pull out the engine itself. I'm going to have to like pull off this hood. Let's do it.
I'm so excited.
Okay, gamers, this is the game plan. With this car, my goal is to wire tuck the entire car. Not like entirely, but most of the wiring harness I'm going to tuck like behind the fenders in places where you can't see it. Simplify the wiring harness, delete any things I'm not going to use. This shit's going to be a drift car, so you know, who cares, right? What I'm learning and what I'm understanding is when you're doing the wire tuck process, you know, from the very start in this aspect where I'm pulling out the entire engine from the ground up, the 4 things you write on the tag of the wire are 4 different types of identifications: where it is, what side of the engine, how many pins, and anything unique about it. So for example, if there's a wire on the upper part of the block of the engine, it's on the right side, you know, looking in from the engine bay, you would put upper block, intake, 3-pin, and like something like that, right? Just so you have a general understanding of what it is, because what I'm finding out is when people do wire tucking, at the end, once they have the wiring harness outside of the car and like on a table or whatever, it'll be easier to eliminate what you don't need. Like, okay, this and that goes on this side of the engine, so you can look at the wire diagram. It'll make more sense once I do it. I probably made that shit hella confusing. My fault, twin.
She's still good. If shorty sell box, still good. At selling box, still good.
The first part that I'm gonna do is the headlights. I don't know if I'm gonna pull off the fenders just yet, and I think I'm gonna take off the hood as well, because I don't really have any use for it right now. Let's do it. Before anything, it's like negative dick and balls outside. I cannot work in this cold, so I'm gonna go get a regulator to fix this thing for the heater so I can actually work in heat, because it is... It actually hurts to stand here right now. Like, my feet are just gone. I'm gonna go to Home Depot real quick, see if I can get that, and then we'll work on the Alexa. Check me out. You won't have to deal with that bullshit. Check me out. Ready? Yes, sir. Ya tu sabe. Yo, buzzer beater with this one. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how I got it in time, but let's set it up so I'm not freezing my bunions. Okay, look, this is what I'm talking about. For example, this, I know what this is. This is the fog light to the front bumper. So if I know exactly what it is, I'm just gonna write exactly what it is. Type shit. You feel me? You feel me? Another example. I have no idea what the hell this is. So I'm gonna write something like, just describing what the cable is. Front bumper near.
Hello? Hello?
Not even connected to the car? Yeah, we love that. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. I'm gonna do something like, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things connected to the front headlight. You feel me?
Nice.
This is how far I got for now. I'm gonna pick it up in the next episode. We got the bumper off, the headlights off. Everything I disconnected from the headlights just got labeled. What's next is, I think tomorrow, I'm gonna pull off the hood. Then I'm gonna start just taking off engine components or just whatever I need to disconnect the engine and the trans together all in one go. And yeah, we'll go from there. But I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.